For daily hacks of the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. Effective recipe for improving the liver functions. Liver is undoubtedly an imperative body organ that lends a helping hand to proper functioning of your body. In fact, a Chinese medicine proverb says, "The physician who knows how to harmonize the liver knows how to treat the 100 diseases." The reason is that liver is the hard-working organ of the human body. Thus, you need to pay attention to keeping your liver healthy and performing well. Even doctors recommend going for ways to detoxify your liver from time to time. Detoxification not only cleanses the liver of its toxins, but also makes the absorption of proteins better in the liver. Though there are many effectual ways of liver detoxification, here is one recipe that can really improve the functioning of the liver. Recipe. This recipe is an easy recipe that has been tried and tested many times for detoxification of liver. Moreover, it contains natural ingredients that can easily be found in your kitchen. Ingredients: raw honey, 1 liter water, fresh mint leaves, lemon juice, you need to grate the rind as well, orange juice. Method of preparation: to start with, you need to boil the water, and then after boiling, add the mint leaves to it. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Afterwards, take it away from the heat and then let it cool. Now mix the lemon juice, orange juice, and the grated lemon rind as well. In the end, mix the honey to give it a better taste. This recipe is a simple yet effective method of achieving detoxification of liver. Moreover, this recipe has positive effects on digestion process as well. The best aspect of this recipe is that it can be prepared easily with all the ingredients easily found on your kitchen slab. If you liked the video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.